Imagine a company giving back $1.2 billion directly to its investors. That's exactly what Prudential is doing right now. But what does this mean for shareholders? How will it affect the stock price, dividends, and even global investors like you? In this video, we'll break it all down step by step.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're diving into a major finance story from Bloomberg. Prudential PLC's announcement of a $1.2 billion share buyback. We'll cover what a share buyback is, why Prudential is doing it now, how it affects shareholders in the USA and globally, the connection with Prudential's Indian unit, ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company, and finally, what this means for the future of the stock and your investments. So make sure you watch till the end. This could impact how you think about investing in global stocks. Background on Prudential. Prudential Plc is a major global insurer and financial services company. Headquartered in the UK, but operating worldwide. They provide life insurance, investment management, and retirement products. Over the years, Prudential has been strategically growing in Asia, especially in India through ICICI Prudential AMC, which went public in December 2025. This IPO generated net proceeds of around $700 million, which Prudential is now using as part of their shareholder return plan. What is a share buyback? A share buyback is when a company purchases its own shares from the market. Think of it as a company investing in itself. Companies do buybacks to increase share value, return capital to shareholders, and signal confidence in their financial health. In this case, Prudential is doing a $1.2 billion buyback, including $700 million from the Indian IPO. This is a significant move showing strong financial health. Details of the $1.2 billion buyback. Here's the breakdown. Total buyback, $1.2 billion. Source, $700 million from ICICI Prudential AMC IPO, remaining from company reserves. Timeline. Part of a 2024 to 2027 shareholder return plan, where Prudential aims to return more than $5 billion to shareholders. History. Prudential completed a $2 billion buyback in 2025, showing a consistent trend. This buyback is not just numbers. It affects the stock, dividends, and investor confidence. Impact on stock and investors. So what does this mean for shareholders? First, fewer shares in the market can increase the stock price. Second, earnings per share, or EPS, rise with fewer shares, which is a key metric for investors. Third, while buybacks don't immediately change dividends, stronger EPS can lead to higher dividends in the future. Finally, this buyback signals that Prudential believes in long-term growth, especially after raising capital from India. Connection to ICICI Prudential AMC. Let's connect the dots to India. The ICICI Prudential AMC IPO in December 2025 generated $700 million. Prudential decided to return part of these proceeds to shareholders in the buyback. This is a great example of global capital movement, where a UK-based company uses proceeds from Indian investors to reward global shareholders, including those in the USA. It highlights the growing role of emerging markets in global finance. Global implications. Why should US investors care? Prudential trades globally, including American ADRs. The buyback can positively influence the stock price globally, not just in the UK. It shows how global IPOs and capital flows affect returns and investor sentiment. One IPO in India can impact your investments in the USA. Key takeaways. To summarize, Prudential announced a $1.2 billion share buyback using proceeds from ICICI Prudential AMC IPO. Buybacks reduce shares, potentially increase EPS and stock price. It signals financial strength and confidence. Global investors, including US shareholders, benefit indirectly. Prudential continues its plan to return over $5 billion to shareholders by 2027. This is a clear example of strategic capital management and how companies reward their investors. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more finance insights like this. Let me know in the comments. Are you invested in Prudential? What do you think about buybacks as an investment strategy? Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates from global finance markets.